I was headed somewhere and I saw a sign for an estate sale. It's literally about to end. I think this is the 4th day of the sale, but look, there's a whole barn full of stuff. Let's go check it out. This looks like it might be the holiday decor. This is not that far from my house. I can't believe I didn't even know that the sale was going on. Oh, I like the little white and gold angels and the little carolers. I love these. White and gold for Christmas. It's my favorite. Oh my gosh, what is all this wood over here? What kind of wood is this? It's just stacks of it. I don't even have my IKEA bags. I wasn't prepared for an estate sale. Oh, this is precious. Little canister. Alright, I need to find a box or something. Is this Delft? There's a chip right there. Oatmeal. Never seen an oatmeal one. Found a box and I'm getting all of the white and gold Christmas stuff, and I found this little black piece. I thought it was haul, but there's no markings on it. Alright, I'm in the house now. Look at this bed. Gorgeous. There's gonna be lots of colored glass at this sale from what I could see in the pictures. There's some little dishes. Fancy, fancy. Here is the pink room with all the china. I think Ren would like this room. They got pink board and batten and then pink wallpaper. Lots of china. Just gotta see if anything's really my style. I don't like to buy whole china sets either. I just like to pick and choose the pieces. I don't know what that is. Which one should I get? There's so many. I like these plates that are on the wall. What is this? I bet that's for plates maybe. Alright, I might have to have a fancy whatnot sale because these pieces are beautiful. I'm trying to get things that look like kind of my style, things I think y'all would like. Look at this hand painted plate right here. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I like this little set of plates right here. There's no markings on it, but I love the detailed edges and the florals. There's a little bit of crazing and staining that we like. Here's another hand painted plate. I love these. And I like this one as well. This pretty pink purpley color with a couple on it. There's a number 60 on there. Let's see if this one has a marking. It says left in, but it definitely looks hand painted. Y'all see that? Here's all the red glass in this room, but I did find this cute little blue piece right here. I'm gonna grab that. Y'all probably gonna go crazy, but I think I'm gonna leave that here. Or should I get it? I don't know. Oh my gosh, look at this. That is precious. This piece is definitely coming home with us. Oh my gosh, look at the kitchen. They're turning off the lights. I think that's my sign that they're ready to go. But I gotta look. Y'all, this sale has been going on for 4 days and they said they sold so much. And look how much is left. That is crazy. Let's see what's over here. It's wallpaper in every room. I really like snowmen. I've seen a few bolts of fabric here as well. This was probably the sewing room in here. prices are really good. I wish I would have been able to come the first day, but I didn't know about it. Look what I just found. Not one, but 2 mustache cups. And look, that one has a mustache on it. Tons of glassware, some little bone dishes. Those are cute right there. Oh, I like these. All right, y'all, they're ready to go. I gotta hurry. That's cute. Oh my gosh, I love the blue ones. Oh, this one's heavy too. That looks old. This one says as is. Oh, I know where the bottom to this is. I saw it. I think outside. What is this? Room right here. That is weird. All right, this looks like Christmas stuff. I don't see anything amazing. These are interesting. Oh, these are newer pieces. White and gold joy. That's really cute. A bathroom. This house is huge. Oh my gosh, that was craziness. This estate sale was like that show, I think it was called Supermarket Sweep, where you had to run through the store, you had a limited amount of time, you had to put as much stuff in the cart as possible. That's what it felt like. They were turning off lights, and I was like, just let me go through one more room. And the house was huge, and there was so much stuff. And when I go to a sale like that on the last day and see all of that stuff left over, I'm thinking, what was there the first day? But like I mentioned a bunch of times, I didn't even realize the sale was happening right near my house, so I am kicking myself for not going there the first day. But like I mentioned in the video, since all of this has similar styles, I figured I would do another fancy and floral whatnot sale. So all of this and more will be on my next whatnot sale. It's going to be Thursday at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. And if you are brand new to whatnot, make sure you use the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen, because you're going to get a $15 credit if you use my link. And if you have no clue what whatnot is, it is time to come check it out. You are missing out on all of the fun. It is an app where all day long they have different auctions going on. Anything and everything that you could possibly be interested in, 24/7. There's an auction going on. It is so much fun over there, so y'all have got to come check it out. So come join me Thursday for my fancy and floral whatnot sale. Bye guys, I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite item that I got today. I think mine are these hand painted plates that I got right here. They are Lefton, but I was asking the seller about it, and he said he thinks that possibly they sold a pattern that people would hand paint. So I'm not sure, but they are absolutely beautiful. Anyway, I'm really gonna go now, so I will see y'all Thursday. Bye guys.